So, Checkpoint.
Mr. Wong wants to talk to you.
Then let's go see him. You are big enough to have a street address.
The name is Topal. Sit.
We got bad history. I know.
Then why you are trying to kill me?
If I wanted you dead, you already would be. Today, I need your help. Here's a look I haven't seen on your face a lot. Confusion. Let me clear it up for you. The Golden Cane put out the hit on your cop, not Dragonclaw. They made it look like me by leaving my I-9 crew's signature.
Ah, I guess orders forgiven.
Don't be a smartass. I ain't looking for a hug from no cop. Are you gonna listen or mouth off?
I'll smoke. You talk.
Young Gee's Golden Cane partnered up with a Russian crew out of Chicago. Damon Zakharov and his boys. They want Hong Kong. My territory.
Take them out. You got the muscle.
Yes, I got the guns and muscle, but the Zakharovs have them.
Please, Father, do what they ask. You have all the money you need. Tico and I just want to live the lives we should have had.
There, Mr. Wong. Proof of life. Your daughter and granddaughter.
Turn it off.
Let me now describe what will happen if...
So Billy named Tico.
After you. Zakharov took him from the house in Chicago 2 weeks ago.
How come you haven't sent anyone to chop him into pieces and bring Billy and Tico?
If I sent a crew out of Hong Kong, red flags go up all over. The FBI would be waiting at the airport. And Zakharov made it real clear that if I move against Golden Cane, Billy and Tico die. So I've got to send someone good. Someone clean, someone the cops won't watch. And someone who cares enough about the outcome to die getting it done. It's gotta be you.
You are the one who took them away from me. I never even held Tico in my arms. And I haven't heard from Billy since. 18 years. Not a phone call, not a postcard.
I told her not to. She was afraid of me then. By the time we made up, she was afraid you wouldn't forgive her.
Know how many times I thought of killing you?
Probably lots.
And you've got the guts to ask me to bring them back for you? How do you live with yourself?
I'm used to me. Don't. I'll take that as a yes. I can't be caught mixed up in this. Don't let them take the hangar.
Guess we're partners again.
Didn't know you were deep cover in Dragonclaw.
There's lots you don't know. Right now, we've got to blow this place to hell. Did you find the C4?
I don't think Wong will like that.
Either we turn it into matchsticks, or Golden Cane takes off with 1,000 kilos of heroin. I got the spots marked inside where you need to place the charges.
Oh, good to know you are still on our side.
Once a partner, always a partner, right? Get it done, and a police boat will pick you up at the dock.
Und jetzt geht's da weiter am Hafen. Ja. Da quatscht einer. Haben wir die schon mitgenommen? Wir sollen C4 abbringen. So. Und zwar 14 Stück. Aha. Da Affe müssen wir auch noch. Und da blinkt da was. Wie machen wir das?